This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in the app library, swipe left through home screens until you reach it. Once there, visually locate the app group or use the search bar to pinpoint the app. Make sure to confirm whether the app is currently installed or offloaded. That affects what you remove. If you might restore later, make sure iCloud or device backups are up to date. This speeds the process and prevents accidental data loss. Now get ready to tap and hold the app icon to reveal options. You'll long press the app icon to open the contextual menu. This is where the delete action lives. Once you see Delete App, tap it, then confirm Delete in the prompt. This removes the app from your device and app library listing. If the app is offloaded and you need its data, make sure to reinstall first. Offloading only deletes the binary but keeps data. After deletion, your home screen and app library will update automatically, removing the entry from search as well. Finish by checking Settings General iPhone Storage to verify the app is gone and any residual data is cleared. If the app still shows in the app library or search, restart your iPhone. That forces the system to refresh indexes. If it persists because of family sharing or purchase history, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle App Store network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: restart first. It resolves most indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.